Today, I will share Milo's PV energy storage system and a diesel generator complementary control system. By setting the hybrid inverter, the generator can achieve automatic start and stop in the on-grid and off-grid situations. This system includes a PV. Here we use a PV simulation source equipment, a hybrid inverter, a lithium battery, a diesel generator, and a distribution box with an anti-backflow meter inside. Firstly, we choose auto in the generator interface and choose on. When the grid is disconnected, the inverter will automatically turn on the diesel generator to meet the power requirement of the loads. Now, we simulate power grid cutoff. We can see the generator status information on the generator interface. Shut down. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos of Milo's new products.